Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel of daily tech news and reviews. So it's now official, OnePlus is announcing the OnePlus 9 series on the 23rd of March. We have confirmation by Evan Glass, and also they launched phones on Tuesday only, so we saw that coming. Now Evan Glass says, the pre-orders will start from same date, that's the 23rd of March. Yet is different from pre-booking, which may start mid this month. During launch event, OnePlus will be offering some gift to those who pre-order the OnePlus 9 series. The early buyers of standard OnePlus 9 will get a free OnePlus Buds Z wireless earbuds, and honestly this is great offer. Those who buy the OnePlus 9 Pro, which is the high-end flagship, will get Buds Z Steve Harrington edition, which is something really cool and stylish. He says, OnePlus 9R and OnePlus Watch won't see any pre-orders gift, and that is why crazy pricing is gonna be really aggressive in India and China especially. I have no idea which country pre-orders gift he's talking about, because different countries got different additional discounts and offers. But yeah, it's gonna be something similar all over. But before further we do, if you like somehow what you see here, subscribe to the channel will definitely awesome. Now let's get back to the video. A huge news coming in from Max J. He says that OnePlus is planning for a special edition OnePlus 9 Pro finish with different backplate. He hints this could be sandstone matte black color, which we saw in the OnePlus 1 and OnePlus 2 got this rough finish, and it is gonna sell like hotcakes for sure, because that color and finish has really great demand. Some colors like forest green, morning mist, also coming, but we may see them in glossy design, but this black one is coming in matte finish. The OnePlus 9 Pro may feature one of the best display because some latest rumors, OnePlus may use end-to-end white color management in the OnePlus 9 Pro display. Oppo is using same approach in the Find X3 Pro, and they officially confirmed it. The new true-to-life display is far superior than what Samsung and Apple is using in their latest flagship displays, which is 10-bit display. Oppo says, the new display will bring excellence across resolution, screen refresh rate, and high dynamic range content, bringing users the clearest, most accurate, smooth and comfortable display. Oppo is launching the Find X3 series on the 11th of March, with sales starting in April, and the good news is, it will include power adapter inside the box, and OnePlus 9 Pro as well. It also confirmed that it will gonna have 120Hz refresh rate display, sandstone back matte finished, Snapdragon 888 CPU, fast charging with 45 watts wireless and 65 watts wired charging technology. So guys, what do you think about it? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and if you somehow like this video, subscribe to the channel will definitely great reward for me, and as always, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.